Going to show you how to actually fix your Firestick if it is not actually if it's not actually working. So all I really had to do for this simple exploit here was literally just change the batteries. It's really as simple as that. So that was it. So it's really just this this back part here with the arrows, and what you do is you pull that down and then replace them. I mean, I've actually already replaced them. So earlier the Firestick wasn't working at all. Couldn't use volume. Couldn't do anything. And let's see here. So now what we want to do to make sure that it's synced up is we hold the home button for 20 seconds. Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 10, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and you should see it blinking orange. And from there, okay, at least we can move it around a little bit. It's done blinking. Yeah. Alright, so we can move around here. Alright, there we go. It's really just a simple fix of just changing the batteries. That's the most important part with the Firestick remote, is changing the batteries itself. If that doesn't work, what you do is you can either unplug the Firestick itself for about 10 to 20 seconds, plug it back in, and then sync it with the home button for 20 seconds. And then from there, you should be good. So, yeah, let's make sure everything's working here. There we go. Let's try here, just to double check. Ooh, whatever this is. So, all right. Now I'm going to move the camera a little bit, just so I can hold and show you. There we go. All right, that's it. Pretty simple. So all you got to do, like I said, just to reiterate, is hold is first. You want to change the batteries, see if that works. If that doesn't work, hold the home button for 20 seconds. If that doesn't work, then unplug the Firestick for about 20 seconds, plug it back in, and then do the home button again for 20 seconds, and that should allow you to maneuver with the Firestick once again. So hope this video helped you out. It was just a simple problem that someone I know was having. So and now we're fixed. So alright guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.